festival in Richardson this weekend. It's a fun place. There are a few bands playing music, and there is a lot of food.
Are you going to the festival this weekend?
Yes, I am.
I'm usually busy on the weekend, but I'm free in the evening.
Great. Festival. Fe, s, fes, t, fest, festive, v, festive, festiva, festival. There is a festival in the park. Festival. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Are there many people in the park?
Yes, there are many people in the park.
Are there many people in the park? Respond. Very good. Why are there many people in the park?
There are many people in the park because there is a festival.
Very good. Why are there many people in the park? Respond. Very good. And when is the festival?
The festival is this weekend.
Are you going to the festival?
Yes, I'm going to the festival this weekend.
When is the festival? Respond. Are you going to the festival? Respond. Very good. A band. Ba, band. Band. Musicians who play together is a band. There is a band. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Is there a festival today in the park?
Yes, there is a festival today in the park.
Is there a festival today in the park? Respond. Very good. Is there a band playing music?
Yes, there is a band playing music.
Is there a band playing music? Respond. Very good. Are they listening to the music?
Yes, they are listening to the music.
Are they having fun too?
Yes, they're having fun too.
Are they listening to the music? Respond. Are they having fun too? Respond. Very good. A few. A few is 3 or 4. A few. 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 There are a few pencils. There are many pencils. Big number. Small number, a few. There are a few pencils. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. How many pencils are there in the cup?
There are a few pencils in the cup.
How many pencils are there in the cup? Respond. Very good. How many pencils are there in this cup?
There are many pencils in the cup.
Very good. Are there many pencils in this cup? Respond. Very good. So remember, a few is 3 or 4, but for 2, a couple. Couple. Cup. A cuppa. Couple. A couple. There are a couple books on the table. You can say a couple of books, or only there are a couple books on the table. Let's practice. Are there a few books on the table?
Yes, there are a few books on the table.
Are there a few books on the table? Respond. Very good. Are there many books on the table?
Yes, there are many books on the table.
Are there many books on the table? Respond. Very good. Are there a couple books on the table?
Yes, there are a couple books on the table.
Are there a couple books on the table? Respond. Very good. She is busy. A lot of work. She's answering the phone. She's answering emails. She is very busy. Opposite. Free. She is free. No work. She is free today. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Is she free today?
Yes, she's free today.
Is she free today?
No, she's not free today.
Is she free today? Respond. Is she free today? Respond. Very good. When are you free?
I'm free in the evening.
Very good. When are you free? Respond. Very good. Usually. 90% of the time. Not always. Always is 100%. Usually is 90% of the time. Usually. You. Zh. Usual. 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 Usually. Usually. Repeat. Usually. Very good. Let's practice. I'm usually free on the weekend. Are you usually free on the weekend?
Yes, I'm usually free on the weekend.
Are you usually free on the weekend? Respond. Very good. Hey, there's a festival in Richardson. It's a fun place. There are a few bands playing music, and there is a lot of food.
Are you going to the festival this weekend?
Yes, I am.
I'm usually busy on the weekend, but I'm free in the evening.
Great.